Your Honor, despite what opposing counsel was arguing, the COP system is not some sort of arbitrary system that's assigning random numbers about how these victims should be being paid. Instead, as you mentioned, one of the factors is how many months that an offender has left on probation and how the payment should be divided based on that number of months. As you know, an offender can't get off of probation until they've completed their restitution payments, and so that calculation is just based on the number of months they have left on probation and the minimum monthly amount that they would have to pay in order to fully have paid off their restitution prior to the conclusion of their probation, so that those two goals can align, the payment of all the restitution and the date that the offender should be finishing his probation. And so that is one of the factors that's in the COP system. And then the other factor is, like I said, the outstanding balance that is owed to each victim. And so those balances are manually adjusted each time that an offender makes a payment to a victim, because of course if a victim's owed $1,000 and then they get $200, well, they're no longer owed $1,000, now they're owed $800. So those balances change, and therefore the percentages of the payments that each victim gets changes each time an offender makes a payment as well. And because of that, those percentages that are going to each victim are always fluctuating and are fluid.